So now we'll do the second one, which will come out like this. We'll use these colorful papers. So I'm just cutting them into the required width approximately, and I'll be pasting them on the stick. You'll be seeing that by using these colorful sticks, it will come out very colorful, very vibrant. So yeah, I can maybe use this one. You can make it a multicolored one or a single color, it's as per you. Yeah, so now the stick is ready. Now, yeah, I can use these stickers also, these smiley stickers. Just have to like paste it above on the top of the stick. Yeah, so this bookmark is also ready now. So you have variety of bookmarks now ready. Like you can use the tapes, or if you don't have these tapes, you can maybe use the glitter tapes, which students have for their craft projects. Or you can use these colorful paper strips also. You can either put stickers or magazine images, cutouts. So yeah, so you have these bookmarks ready. So now we'll be making the newspaper bookmarks, and I have done 3 variations in this. In one I've written a quote. You can write any quote, whichever quote is your favorite, or any word which you like. And then I've just doodled flowers over it. And one I've made this piggy face with these washi tapes. And in one I've doodled books for all the book lovers and just decorated it with tapes. And what I've done is I've made these braids. I've punched hole and I've made these braids. And if you don't want to put in so much of efforts, you can just put a this thread which I have. You can put it and you can just tie a knot. I'll teach you guys how to do it. So first what we'll be needing is basic paper, newspaper or magazine sheet, and a thick sheet of course to paste it over it. So what I've done is I've prepared a solution of water and Fevicol. So I'll be mixing it with a brush. You can use round brush or flat brush, whichever you have, but flat brush works better. So now I'll be spreading Fevicol over the paper. You just have to be a little quick with this so that the Fevicol doesn't dry. You can move the brush horizontally or vertically, whichever way is comfortable with you. I'm just going to show you guys a simple way of pasting. So if suppose I have to paste this paper, so I'll just stick it over it and press it nicely. And press it in one direction only. If you're pressing it horizontally, then go horizontally. In that way you won't get any bubbles made. So now you'll have to keep it for drying. So I have already done the drying bit in this sheet of paper. So now what I can do is move ahead with cutting the. So which size I'll be doing? It's 16 centimeter length. So let's make a line first. Okay. So now I'll mark 16 centimeter in the length side. Again, size it's up to you, but I'm taking the standard size. Width it will be 5 centimeter. And length I'm taking as 16 centimeter. So your basic shape is ready. You can cut it. is a bit thick, so it's a little difficult for me to cut it. But again, if you use a thick sheet, it comes out better for a bookmark. So just be patient while cutting. Yeah. So we have the bookmark ready, the base for it. Now what I do is I first punch the hole before starting with the whole decorating part. Okay. So now you can maybe write a quote. So let's write a quote. So we'll write my favorite quote nowadays, which is "This too shall pass." In this lockdown time, it's keeping me motivated. So I'm just doing it directly, but you guys can first make it with pencil if you are not that confident enough. In any font you like. Personally, this cursive thing is my favorite. Yeah, so I've written the basic code. We can maybe doodle some flowers. You can do it with colorful pens as well, however you like. Or even if you don't want these writings or the lettering to show of the magazine or the newspaper, you can maybe stick a sheet of paper over it and then put your quote. But it just looks a little organic, so I have not done much. Decorate as you want. So now if we have to put a decorative edge to it, so then take out this thread, maybe this length. So I'll be doubling it. Yeah, and one more time. So I folded it 4 times, and now this loop I'll be